Hello students, the topic is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is a aromatic carboxylic acid in which one COH group is directly attached to the nucleus or carbon of the benzene ring. Benzoic acid is an organic compound which is described by the chemical formula C6H5COH. It consists of a carboxylic group attached to a benzene ring. Therefore, benzoic acid is said to be an aromatic carboxylic acid. This compound exists as a crystalline colorless solid under normal conditions. The term benzoate refers to the ester and salt of benzoic acid. This is the structure of benzoic acid in which carbon attached directly to the COH group. Method of preparation. The benzoic acid prepared by the oxidation of aromatic compound containing aliphatic side chain with alkaline KMnO4 or dilute HNO3 or K2Cr2O7. The commercial production of benzoic acid done by the partial oxidation of toluene with oxygen catalyzed by the manganese or cobalt. This chemical reaction is illustrated below. This is the toluene which oxidized and form benzoic acid. Laboratory synthesis. Benzoic acid cheap and readily available. So the laboratory synthesis of benzoic acid is mainly practiced for the petrological value. It is a common undergraduate preparation. Benzoic acid can be purified by recrystallization from water because of its high solubility in hot water and poor solubility in cold water. Full stop. The avoidance of organic solvent for the recrystallization makes this experiment particularly safe. This process usually gives a yield of around 65%. Benzoic acid is prepared by hydrolysis of cyanobenzene and benzotrichloride, nitrile, amide, benzonitrile and benzamide can be hydrolyzed to benzoic acid or its conjugate base in acid or basic condition. It is also prepared by the Grignard reagent. Bromobenzene can be converted to benzoic acid by carboxylation of the intermediate phenyl magnesium bromide. This synthesis offers a convenient exercise for students to carry out a Grignard reaction, an important class of carbon-carbon bond forming reaction in organic chemistry. It is also prepared by the oxidation of benzoyl compound, benzyl alcohol and benzyl chloride. This is the reaction in which toluene oxidized by the KMnO4 and it forms benzoic acid. It is also prepared by the cyanobenzene in the cyanobenzene hydrolyzed to form benzoic acid, and it is also prepared by the aniline in the presence of NaNO2 in acidic medium form benzoic acid by the hydrolysis reaction. It is also prepared by the benzene. Another reaction in which benzyl chloride react with sodium carbonate Na2CO3 benzyl form benzyl alcohol and benzyl alcohol oxidized form benzoic acid. This is the reaction, Grignard reaction. Physical property. Benzoic acid has a colorless appearance in its solid state, which is of a crystalline nature. The crystal structure is monoclinic. The presence of the aromatic ring gives this compound a faintly pleasant odor. At a temperature of 130 degrees centigrade, the density of the compound reduces to 1.075 gram per cubic centimeter. Chemical property. It is soluble in benzene, carbon, tetrachloride, acetone and alcohol. Its pK value is 4.2 and it is soluble in water and the solubility at 25 degrees centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade is 3.44 gram per liter and 56.31 gram per liter respectively. These are the chemical reactions in which the benzoic acid react with alcohol form benzoic acid ester, and it also react with RNH2 form benzoic acid amide, and it reacts with PCl5 form benzoyl chloride, and benzoic acid react with P2O5 form benzoic acid. Uses. Some important uses of benzoic acid are listed below. The production, it is used in the production of phenol. It is also used in the preparation of ointment. It is used as a preservative in food industry. It is used as an ingredient in many cosmetic products like lipstick. It is also a precursor of benzoyl chloride. It is used in the component of toothpaste, mouthwash, face wash, cream. This compound is also used in the manufacture of dyes and in insect repellents. Thank you.